Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And do you currently forgot the passcode to your iPhone? And it is very common issue. It could due to many possible reasons, or like your kids accidentally set certain passcode on your phone without you knowing, or you have like elderly parents, alright, and they forgot their own passcode to their own phone, and you want to access their phone. There's no way of you accessing it because if you want to reset the phone or you want to use the phone itself, you have to go past this passcode itself. But you are in luck today because today I'm going to show you how you guys can actually remove any passcode from your phone, and you guys can use your phone right away. So what is the software that I'll be using today? Well, it is with the help of this software right here. So this is the PassFab iPhone Unlock, and I personally use this to unlock one of my iPhone as well. And why would I need to do that? Well, it is because I lent my nephew to play with my phone, and somehow my nephew managed to set a passcode on my phone without me knowing that, and the passcode is changed. So I have no idea how that happened, and there's no way of me getting into my phone. So I was like panicking and looking around, and I saw this PassFab iPhone Unlock. I give it a shot, and it works out really well, and I was so happy that he managed to remove my passcode from my phone, and I can start using my phone again. And the whole process took me less than 15 minutes time, so I'm really impressed. And afterwards I used my phone without any issue. It's been really reliable and it's just really awesome. Hence I'm sharing it with you guys. If you are facing this problem same like me, or if you want to just get past the passcode itself, well, this will be the software for you. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself, what are the features and what it can do, and followed by the full demonstration itself, so you guys can see the whole unlocking process itself. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the software itself first. Let's go. So right behind me, this is the software itself, and as you guys can see, they have a lot of different features that included in it as well, so it's really generous of them. This is the one we'll be focusing on today, but let's just take a look at the other features that it has, so that next time if you have any issues with other phones, with your friends or family have other issue with their iPhone, well, you guys can use this to help them out as well. So you guys can see they have remove of icon activation lock, disabling of Find My iPhone, removing your screen time passcode, bypassing mobile device management lock, and as well as of removing of Apple ID. So this is really incredible. They give you all the other features as well, so you guys can help anyone out if they are facing any other issues on their iPhone itself. But today our main focus will be unlocking of iOS screen, and how you guys can get started is just click on the start button. And just connect your phone, your affected iPhone, to your PC or your laptop, and just follow the on-screen instructions to get your phone into recovery mode. And after that, and once it's in DFU mode, just follow some on-screen instructions, and your phone will be unlocked in less than a few minutes time. And the best part about this is they have instructions for different iPhone models as well, so you guys can choose the model. If you're using iPhone 7, 7 Plus, other device, or iPhone 8 above, you guys just follow the steps on here, how to get your phone into recovery mode and DFU mode. Or if you have using iPad or iPod, well, because this software also works on iPad and iPod as well, so you guys can just follow the steps to get your phone into DFU mode. So right now I'm just going to show you guys the demonstration footage itself, so you can see how easy and how straightforward it is to get your iPhone passcode removed in a few minutes time and start using your phone right away. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and show you guys the demonstration itself. Let's go. Okay, so today we're going to demonstrate on the iPhone 16, and you guys can see I totally forgot how to get into the phone itself. I totally forgot the passcode, and if trying too many times, you'll be says iPhone unavailable. So yeah, that's kind of sucks. So what I do is just to connect my iPhone to my PC, and over here I just need to click on unlock iOS screen, just click on the start button. After that I just follow the on-screen instruction. You guys can see also supports for older devices as well, and I just have to press and hold the power up button, the power down button plus volume button, and the power off button, and after that press and hold for a while. Your phone will reboot, and after that you will get into the recovery mode. In here you'll detect your phone, your version, and after that the path where you want to download it. So just click on download, it will download the firmware of your phone. Also, you just wait for the download to finish. So once it's done, you will say firmware downloaded successfully, and it's time you just need to click on start to remove. And after that you will start removing screen lock. It'll take about 3 to 5 minutes depending on your phone model, and after that is when it's done, you will see your phone rebooting and there's Apple logo right here. So you just wait for a while, wait for the screen lock to be finished, and you will say successfully removed. So once it's removed, you will be greeted with the welcome screen, and you can just set up your phone as per normal. Alright, and once the setup is complete, you guys can see you are back in your phone, and you guys can start using your phone right now without any passcode lock anymore. So this is how simple and straightforward it is just to get your iPhone passcode removed in less than 10 minutes time, and this is the demonstration itself. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and now let's head back to the video itself. Alright, you guys have seen from the whole demonstration process itself, it's very easy, very straightforward. You don't have to be tech savvy to do that. Just follow some on-screen instruction, get a cup of coffee or tea, sit back and relax, and after a while you guys can see, alright, your phone has been unlocked and you guys can start using it right away. So this is how incredible and how straightforward the whole unlocking process is itself. So yeah, after seeing the demonstration and you're quite eager to get this one right away, you guys can check out the first link in the video description down below and get this software for yourself right now. And I tell you, this is the software that I personally tried and tested, and it works really well without any issue. I've been using my iPhone 12 Pro for over 8 months now without any single issue at all. Alright, it works reliably well. So this is one that is actually safe, and I've read a lot of online article that says other software may break your phone if it's if it doesn't work well or work out right. Alright, so once your phone is break, it's quite dangerously and you cannot even use the phone at all. So once again, you gotta check out this PassFab iPhone Unlock that I have personally used, and it works really well. Well, you guys can go ahead and check out the first link in the video description down below and get this software for yourself right now and start unlocking your device right now. So yeah, that's all for the guys. If this video really interesting and did help you out, do give it a thumbs up, and as well as comment down below your iPhone model as well. So yeah, that's all for the guys, and this is 𝖩forcegaming. I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.